Hi everybody, I'm Antoine Lamer from Lille University Hospital. I will present my work entitled Awareness and Perception of Google Review among French general practitioners. Patients are increasingly using the internet to search for medical information. In addition to searching for medical contents, patients look for information about their physician. In the same way that they inquire about a restaurant, a museum, or a store, they can find information about their doctor through physician rating website. PRWs provide information about the physician and their practice. They cover general settings of the office, medical specialties, building and its facilities, process quality element, and patient satisfaction and experience. In previous studies, patients reported using PRWs before consulting a doctor. 37% of patients had not consulted a doctor because of these ratings. From physicians' perspective, the advantages are that patient experience may be taken into account to improve practice. PRWs may be a marketing tool and report a feedback on the activity, and provide relevant information to patients. The disadvantages are a lack of validity, an increasing in physician job stress, a negative effect on the physician-patient relationship. Studies that show that the majority of rates were positive about ease of scheduling, time spent with patient, waiting time, surgeon proficiency knowledge, and bedside manner. The objective of this study is to assess the perception of French general practitioners about the Google Online Physician Rating Service. We implemented a preliminary questionnaire of 31 questions that was put in place following a literature review. The first version was completed by a qualitative step of 7 face-to-face or telephone interviews. The finalized questionnaire consisted of 42 questions with mostly closed and/or multiple choice questions with the possibility to answer freely if the proposed answer were not presented in the questionnaire. We question the GPs about GPs characteristics, awareness of recommendation on e-repetition, awareness of Google ratings of physicians, their perception of this practice, and its impact on their activities. The population was the French general practitioners in 2018. 537 forms were collected, 23% were incomplete and excluded from analysis. About the 412 respondents, more than 80% of GPs were aware of the existence of doctor ratings on Google. 27% had a Google My Business profile, and 24% had already consulted it. 89 general practitioners reported a rating of 4.3 and a number of ratings of 5. 343 GPs reported that PRWs were not relevant to the profession, and only 3% and 13% reported to be a relevant or neutral tool, respectively. The advantages of this tool was patient guide, patient satisfaction tool, practice improvement tool, and marketing tool. And the disadvantages were lack of validation, negative impact on physicians, negative impact on the physician-patient relationship, lack of confidentiality, limited usability. Physicians who consulted their Google My Business profile reported more positive comments than negative. Comments were related to their communication and relational and teaching skills, their medical skills and the quality of care provided, the organization of the practice, and finally, the infrastructure. For each of these categories, comments were more often positive than negative. 23% of respondents thought that a written comment could make them change that practice, but only 11% had changed their practice following a negative opinion. Among the GPs who reported Navic consulting their record, 28% had a negative experience, 21% a positive experience, 39% reported a neutral experience, and 12% had no opinion. Anger, satisfaction, and unfairness were the three most common feelings felt. The change to be adopted by PRWs were to be completely removed for half of the respondents, to implement user identity authentication, to privatize the reviews, to implement a system of moderation, to introduce a scoring score more adapted to the profession. About the e-reputation management, 34% of GPs were aware of the existence of recommendation from the order of physician or the e-reputation assistance available with their professional liability insurance in order to assist them in the management of their e-reputation. Among the GPs who had a Google My Business profile, 51% are on their record, 30% do not own it, and 21% do not know if they had a Google My Business profile. The majority of the French GPs denounce the lack of relevance of patient opinions on their Google My Business profile record, and in particular, their validity and negative impact. There is a need to increase the validity of notices by means of a validated evaluation tool and user authentication. The psychological impact should be reduced in order to establish a more confidential framework and more moderation of online opinions. Interestingly, in spite of their opposition to PRWs, the experience described by the GPs who consulted their Google My Business file was neutral overall. Moreover, the ratings are very positive, as more than 3/4 of the GPs reporting a rating greater than or equal to 3.8, which is consistent with the literature. Thank you for your attention.